The total area and volume of a pyramid. Here's your total area formulas. Here's your volume formula. They told us the height is 15 and the base is a square that's 16 by 16. Now, as far as this goes, I'm going to need the height, which is 15. I'm going to need the slant height, which I don't know yet. I need the area of the base, which is just a square that goes 16 by 16, so that's going to be 256. And the perimeter of a base, which is a square with 16 sides that are 16, so that's going to be 64. As far as finding the slant height, I'm going to draw it in here, connect the dots, and the bottom piece of that right triangle is going to be half of 16, so 8. So the slant height must be whatever goes with 8 and 15, which ends up being 17. Now I got all the numbers I need to plug into my formulas. For the total area, 1/2 the perimeter 64 times slant height 17, plus the area of the base 256. This will get you 800 square units. As far as volume goes, 1/3 the area of that same base times I to 15. So this is going to get you 1280 cubic units. As far as the total area, over here, this guy, we have a hemisphere, the lateral area of a cylinder, and the bottom. Those are the three you got to find out. If the bottom has a diameter of 18, that means its radius is 9. And my height here is 16. So those are the two key players I need to figure out the area. So for the hemisphere, we're going to go 2 times pi times 9 squared. It's going to give us 162 pi. For the cylinder, we're going to go with 2 times pi times 9 times 16. That's going to get us 288 pi. And the bottom is just a circle whose radius is 9, so that's 81 pi. So then our total area is the sum of 162 pi to 288 pi and the 81 pi. So that's 531 pi. Interesting pi symbol. And as far as the volume goes, if I use the three formulas for volume here, here, coming up. So anyways, the volume for the hemisphere, it's half of the sphere, so that's going to be 2/3 pi r to the third. We already know that the radius is 9. So the volume of that dome or the hemisphere is going to be 486 pi. And then the volume of the cylinder is just pi r squared times the height. So the radius is 9. The height is 16, so the volume for the cylinder portion is going to be 1296 pi. So then when I add these two together, the volume is going to be 1782 pi, since that's volume, we're going to call it units cubed.